front of me is HOTWAV W11, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and select any feature that you wish to manage. Following that, click on one of your apps and tap on one of those options. In my case, allow only while using the app. So when I go back, as you can see, my radio app just gained access to this device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature, tap on an app that you are interested in, scroll all the way down and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then adjust all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!